Make perfectly cooked chicken in under an hour with almost no cleanup. If you love simple air fryer meals, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's cooking next. Now, let's knock out this super easy prep. Smash 4 garlic cloves, cut a lemon in half, then quarter one of those halves, slice an onion in half, and strip off the ends and skin. For the marinade, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, garlic, and onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, pepper, and thyme, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and the juice of half of a lemon. Pat your chicken dry, then pour that marinade on. Rub it everywhere, inside and even under the skin. Yes, your chicken is basically getting a spa day. Stuff the cavity with your onion, garlic, and those lemon quarters. That steam is going to keep the meat juicy and pack in flavor while it marinates. Preheat the air fryer to 360 degrees and set it for an hour. When it's preheated, drop that chicken in. After 30 minutes, flip it. Give it some air fryer yoga. Another 30 minutes and bam! Look at that perfection. Check that it's 165 degrees inside and let it rest for 10 minutes so those juices settle. And there it is, juicy, crispy perfection. An easy chicken recipe you'll want on repeat. But hey, if you thought that was good, wait until you see my air fryer chicken wings. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out, and as always, thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.